Hello, this is Daniel, and we are going to continue learning about the machine learning process from the previous videos. Today we are going to dive specifically into the decision trees. As previously mentioned, in this video we'll discuss the decision trees, a very visual, hierarchical model that is easy to interpret. The presentation slides and source codes I use here were obtained from the Intel Machine Learning course. I reorganized the contents for easy understanding. You can download the original content from the website using the link. Then let's get started. This is the play tennis example used in the naive Bayes video. Today we'll use a decision tree to predict the play tennis or not problem. Decision trees split the data into two datasets for easier decision and iterate. The gray circle, called a node, asks a question. Is the temperature higher than mild? According to the answer, the data is divided into two subsets, hoping that the subsets contain easy data to predict. For example, if the temperature is lower than mild, then no tennis. If the temperature is higher than mild, then plays tennis. We keep asking question after question until we reach a good decision, yes or no, which is called a leaf node. The depth of this tree is 2. The gray root node represents the entire dataset, and the initial decision is made. We select a feature and split the data into a binary tree. We continue splitting with questions and growing the tree. Internal nodes represent decisions or tests on features. Branches represent the result of a decision leading to the child node until we reach the leaf nodes with the final prediction. No further splits happen at the leaf nodes. Then, when do we stop splitting? Well, one idea is to do the split until the leaves are pure, until it consists of only one class entirely yes or no. However, this idea often overfits the input data. The second idea is stopping the split at a predefined maximum depth, say 4. Although leaves cannot be pure, we can make our best prediction now. The third idea is stopping the split if the classification reaches a predefined accuracy. There has been much research about how to build the best decision trees, and many questions have been raised. How to find the best split, which features should be tested at higher nodes in trees. The standard approach to these questions is to maximize the information gained from the split. In this video, we will discuss one method for this, the entropy method. You can see the entropy equation in the slides. If we classified the top parent node as yes, we would be correct 8 out of 12 and be wrong 4 out of 12. Then the entropy at the node calculated as 0.91. By splitting with the temperature, the left child node contains 2 yes and 2 no. The entropy at this node becomes 1.0. Then the right child has an entropy of 0.81. Now, we check the information changes, averaging the entropies of children and subtracting from the parents. We see that the entropy in the second level is lower, which is good. We gained some information in terms of entropy. Using this entropy, we compare the features to find the best split at each level and repeat the split until no information is gained. The decision tree tends to overfit to minimize errors because it often finds a deep structure. One solution is to set a maximum depth to prune or cut out the trees. In case of the maximum depth being 2, we cut out the last layer. If necessary, we can keep pruning until we reach a predefined classification threshold. For instance, if this leaf correctly classifies 90% of its samples, then that is good enough and stops splitting. Finally, decision trees have many strengths. It is easy to interpret and visualize, thus human-readable. It is easy to use with various data types. For example, no scaling is required, contrary to the distance-based algorithms that we learned in KNN video. Okay, that is all I prepared for this video. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. Bye!